Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Liliana and Maria Show. Today we are actually not going to do drag makeup.
We've been seeing this all over YouTube, and it's the
switch my makeup bag with my BFF. So we packed our everyday makeup that we wear to work, and we have not showed each other what's in that bag or what to really expect quality-wise. I'm just warning you now. It's
not holding my breath.
It ain't like a Sephora gift bag of luxury. Yeah, but I think this will be interesting considering we are completely different skin tones. But okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna switch our bags.
The Liliana and Maria Show. Meow!
It's actually a really nice bag. Oh, familiar.
Define, refine, brows.
Okay, that's the only expensive thing because I splurged on Christmas. And that pencil with the little brush on it doesn't go in there. Because it came with a measuring stick. That was the one I meant to tell you. I should have brought it.
With a Marcel.
It's because I like the brush.
I am actually looking forward to trying this.
Makeup Forever. What is that? Yeah, it's really good. Oh, be careful with that. I think I got it from Avon as a gift a couple years ago. And,
This bag's full of gold and I don't know, my stuff's all crapping.
Oh, there's liquid eyeliner in there. Yeah, I remembered it.
Some gentle.
See, there's some good things in my bag.
What's this?
Oh, this is eyebrow stuff. Cool. So that's the concealer, the Life brand concealer, because as you can see, I don't have magical...
I have no idea what it was.
Yeah. So Life brand makes a concealer for people who are acne prone. And as you can see, I do not have the skin of a model. So I have to use it. It just helps prevent... It's like a type of makeup that helps prevent more of a breakout on what you're trying to cover. And an eyebrow brush. I haven't really been saying what I'm pulling out of this bag. Sorry. But we have... I don't even know what this is, but it is
anything
beautiful.
Left in here.
You just gotta hold the end and you have to flick it.
Oh.
Yeah. If you want, you could do what we did the first video and cut the end off. Wow, this is some...
That comes with everything.
What is this?
That's highlighter, blush, and bronzer/contour. It's the Becca with Chrissy Teigen palette.
I love it. I might actually have to go buy this.
I don't even know what this is. What is this?
Oh, is this a primer?
Yes.
Oh.
That's a primer.
So I put this on first.
Yeah. You can.
I recognize this because we have the pure white one here.
So I'm going to start off with her MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation.
Right, so I start with this. Sorry, yeah. Be careful, spilled right out of there. Careful.
So this is what goes on first.
Yes.
Oh, I should get a brush for this, maybe. Perhaps. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh geez, look at that.
Oh, it's really sheer.
Well, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. So I don't really use a primer. Oh. Oh my. I haven't even put it on my face and I'm excited.
I don't have enough product.
Yes, you will.
Look how pale my face is.
Oh my god, it's like we did the white clown makeup again. So I've actually really wanted to try this, Makeup Forever. They're Ultra HD.
I use that for my wedding. It was melting off my face.
Okay, here we go. Okay, maybe I should go tanning. Look at that. Can you see that? I really like that primer though.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh my god, I get to go home to Cody with a tan.
Oh, you want tanning?
No, I'm little. Oh, he went tan? I get to go home with Cody with a tan.
Apparently, you know, I should start priming. I feel like I'm not wearing anything at all. This is great. I know yours probably feels like a mask. Kat Von D concealer. Ooh, yes, Maria.
Life concealer. It's
Oh my. You have really good blended colors. I think it doesn't stick out as much as clearly mine does. Okay, I'm sorry. Life brand only has light in that product.
Oh my god.
So,
Let's set it.
yeah, set it with the powder. Still MAC product. Enjoy.
At least this is medium golden.
But he said, the MAC consultant said that goes on translucent, so. Well, if it adds color, I'll be happy. Oh, yeah, definitely not.
Nope.
And this is Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. Silky beige. So this is something that's more me. White.
That comes off like translucent too, though.
Do you contour first? I don't have anything to contour with.
No, that was a.
Just open this. And I only have the blush left for me to use.
If you stick a brush and you like really push hard on those crumbs, it comes off on the brush.
So I don't have a contour. I have a blush though.
Okay, well.
Maybe I'll use one of the eyeshadows for contour. Oh!
Well, that's what happens when you use eyeshadow. This is what I have. Lighter complexion stuff. It looks purple from this angle. Don't even it out. I feel like you just want to really go drag.
Okay, so you use clearly this contour, super dark. Okay. Cool. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I've been waiting for this video to see if I should invest in something like this, so.
That has everything. And I love Becca products. Really popular in the makeup world. This is Soft and Gentle.
What is this? How do you say this name? It's backwards and through the thing, so it's really hard. Natasha? Natasha Denona. Denona.
This blends nicely. I feel like royalty. I may feel homeless now, sorry. I didn't mean to.
Yeah, and then you put that on your brow. And then you do the other side. And I honestly, I'm just a creature of habit. Yourself. It looks so good. But maybe I should start exploring like this because I don't mind this color on me. Yeah, you should wear that more often. Okay, well, you can send me a list of everything. And I'm just gonna I haven't used a pencil in a long time. I haven't used a what do I call this? A brush.
I give up. So we both don't wear eyelashes every day, so we're not going to use eyelashes.
All right, on to lips. We are almost done, squirrel friends. If I can find a lip pencil.
This
There it
is Bite Beauty Glacé.
All right, so this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Vintage Liquid Lipstick. All right, so this is it. Clearly you have great taste in makeup. I'd never invest in good colors, and
This
I absolutely
look
love this.
Is actually my everyday look. Because you just said it's for your show makeup. I'm like, no, that's what I look like every day.
I would definitely, I would consider doing this eyeshadow and stuff every day for sure. The lips. All right, so tell us what you think. Give us a like, share.
Facebook like,
Sponsor us.
Instagram, LilianaMariaShow. It's always in the end slate. Okay, well, we hope you enjoyed the swap makeup with my BFF.
Because I did. And now I'm going to go buy a bunch of things.
But remember, if you can't laugh at yourself,
How the hell do you live? Don't forget primer.
That's my takeaway.
Primer. Okay. Okay, bye.